Macrauchenia, whose name means long llama, was a unique and enigmatic mammal that roamed South America during the Pleistocene epoch, from about 2.5 million years ago until its extinction around 10,000 to 20,000 years ago. This peculiar creature was neither a llama nor closely related to modern camelids, but rather belonged to an extinct order of mammals called Litopterna. First discovered by Charles Darwin during his voyage on the HMS Beagle in 1834, Macrauchenia has puzzled paleontologists for nearly 2 centuries due to its unusual combination of features. The fossilized remains were initially difficult to classify, as the animal seemed to possess characteristics of several different mammalian groups. Macrauchenia was a large animal, standing about 1.8 meters (6 feet), tall at the shoulder and measuring up to 3 meters (10 feet) in length. It had a body somewhat reminiscent of a camel, with long legs and neck, but its feet were quite different. Each foot had 3 toes, unlike the 2-toed feet of modern camels and llamas. This 3-toed structure is one of the features that links Macrauchenia to other South American ungulates rather than to camelids. Perhaps the most striking feature of Macrauchenia was its head. It had a relatively small skull with eyes positioned high and far back. The most unusual aspect was its nose. The nasal opening was located on the top of the skull, between and behind the eyes, suggesting that Macrauchenia may have possessed a short trunk or proboscis, similar to that of a tapir or a saiga antelope. The exact function of this presumed trunk remains a matter of debate among paleontologists. It may have been used for gathering food, as a resonating chamber for vocalizations, or to help the animal breathe in dusty environments. Some researchers have even suggested it could have been used as a snorkel in shallow water, though this remains speculative. Macrauchenia lived in a variety of habitats across South America, from grasslands to woodlands. Its wide distribution suggests it was adaptable